Welcome to the new video. How to create it. Own website.
Let's start the video. Open the Google Chrome. Search rjgaming87.socpanel.com. Get start now. How to create an account? See this video. Sign in. USA name and password. Sign in. Click to menu. Go to Child panel. Read this. Come down. Click SMM panel. Top up. Go Tony Payment. ADD 300 euros. Go to Payment. Come back. Click green letter. Automatic go to head up. Send this message. Go to story. Scan and send. 300 rupees. Send screenshot. Come back website. Refresh one time. Go to Child panel. Admin username. Admin password. Panel name. Choose your currency. Wait 2 to 3 hours. Click Admin panel. Ready You panel. How to design panel. See the next video. Thanks for watching.